Do you get nervous or shaky before an audition or performance? I have a really great 3-step tip for you, and not just percussionists, this goes for all musicians. Step 1 is to take a calm, measured breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. This makes you calm and relaxed, lowers the heartbeat, calms the nerves. Step 2 is to simulate the music you're about to play. In this case, I'm using the 2-mallet TMEA All-State Etude, so I'm just going to air stick the first few measures in time above the notes. And then step 3 is to take that calm, measured breath once again, right before you start. And then you're ready to play. Try it.